The aluminium industry globally contributes 2% of the world's CO2 emissions. The use of recycled aluminium is the most strategic way we can reduce that CO2 footprint. I'm Emma Swan and I'm the Managing Director of BOAL. It's really important that the UK reuses its aluminium. So at the moment there's a high volume of scrap exported from the UK. Over 500,000 tonnes of scrap aluminium is exported to outside the EU, and we import over 100,000 tonnes as well. So there's a real trade imbalance. For the scrap industry, it's still very attractive to export scrap rather than retain it. It's high value scrap, so there's a good price on the open market, and also some of the scrap is less attractive to be recycled. So there's that surplus of scrap that isn't currently utilised. So what we need to do is make it more attractive or more prohibitive for that scrap, the high value scrap, to leave. So in today's world, we're seeing many countries increase their spend on defence. Just last December, NATO announced their list of critical materials, and aluminium is actually top of the list. So when supply pressures may increase because of increased defence spend, it makes sense to keep as much scrap aluminium in the UK onshore as possible. I think the first thing is design and implement a monitoring system so that we really know and can track the amount of scrap that is leaving the UK, kind of what grades of scrap it is and where it's going to, and the volumes that are leaving the shores really. And the same on imports. So we've got great data then to work with and understand the flows of scrap. The second ask really is for investment in innovation and into R&D around new technologies for recycling scrap. We'd like to see a partnership really of private and public investment to increase the amount of scrap that can be recycled in the UK. Why is it critical that we have that supply? We're able then to offer our customers a low carbon aluminium extrusion offering. Secondary aluminium has a positive impact by using less energy in its production. So it uses 95% less energy to produce secondary aluminium as a raw material as it does prime. So our Bold Blue product now has less than 4 tonnes of CO2 per tonne of aluminium in its content. In the products that our profiles go into, whether that's construction or transport or solar, those markets, we can enable decarbonisation if they buy or source from BOAL a low carbon product offering. Aluminium is infinitely recyclable. It's one of its unique properties, so you really got to maximise the opportunity with that.